Alrighty, this is upgrade time. This is my tech man.
This guy made you walk like about what, 3 miles?
I walk every day.
Not in the rain.
Yeah, every fucking day in the rain.
Yeah,
I wear a jacket. Doesn't bother me. And here's my Michael Jordan friend.
This shit's old.
Oh, look at this. This is ancient stuff right here.
What? Yeah, sure. It's probably split.
Oh my god, this is old. Ancient. So basically, what I'm gonna do with these old parts, I'm gonna donate them to a worthy cause.
Okay, is that what?
A napkin.
I'll call that napkin.
A samurai sword, because I can kill people with it.
Let me check it out.
Discharge myself. Let's see, napkin. Oh, he took it out. So basically, what we're going to do is, we've got this is the processor, promoting Intel. This is the Gigabyte motherboard, promoting Gigabyte.
I'm not going to make the cable, you can do this.
This is the RAM sticks, Corsair, promoting Corsair. Yeah, I'm sponsored by all of them. YouTube money!
You should put in papers for stuff.
All this shit.
Your room's so untidy.
Oh fuck you, this is a guy's room, do what you want.
I thought it was your grooming kit there.
My what?
Your grooming kit.
Yeah, those are my deodorants. That's it. Oh, look at that, look how beautiful it looks. No dust or anything. Oh, it's so shiny, and it's blue as well. Man, it's a lot smaller than the other one. Oh, the processor goes in there. Now, are you sure? Ground yourself first before you touch this. Oh, look at that beautiful chip set.
It's called an Intel chip.
Oh, fuck it up, man. It cost me a fortune.
What's the door, man? Privacy.
See, look, that's the toothpaste. That's the toothpaste. I can't get it in the camera if you keep moving it.
Where's the manual?
How much did it cost you?
Where's the manual?
What manual?
Yeah,
that's the manual.
That's the sticker you gotta apply on your computer.
The what? The sticker?
That's a sticker you put on your computer. So
Do you put it on the computer?
Yeah.
Look, there's the Pentium one. Right there, it's still on it.
Take it out.
Intel Pentium. No, I leave it. Sign of I've upgraded. Be careful, man. This tiny chip cost a lot of money. Ground yourself first. Oh my god, be careful. Be careful. Disclosure agreement, if Azan fucks up my computer, he pays for all the parts. Oh my god. Dun. Now this is, what is this?
What's this?
That's the fan. What's that?
This is the fan then. Ugh.
For the
God, this is disgusting. It's like a dryer. You can get all that flipping dust on it.
Are you sure you took all the screws out?
I did. You can see.
It's not that. Look, what are these? There's screws there, man. Andrew, I told you to take
I thought it was part of the thing.
Alright guys, so this is what happened. My dumbass friend behind the camera right now.
You're not in the frame! You're not in the frame! Hold on!
That the case would work, but it didn't! So we had to buy another case again. Now I'm walking all the way home with another fucking case! Take 325. We are still trying to make this computer work. It's really annoying.